to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this video short and simple. Today I am going to be dyeing my hair. Oh Lord, I'm gonna attempt to dye my hair because right now my hair is jet black. I dyed it I think in March to a blue-black color. You can see right here. It's definitely time to dye it again. My hair is kind of fading. But I want to dye it copper. These are what I'm going to actually be using. But in order for me to get it this color, I have to remove the black dye. So this is what my hair looks like. To remove the hair dye, I bought some color Opps. I got it from Amazon. I did buy 4 packs because I wasn't sure how much I would need. So I'm gonna attempt to use color Opps first. I got the extra strength kind, not the conditioning kind, because I wanna see how far it will take the black out of my hair. I just decided to dye it because I wanted something new. You know, it's the fall. I've always had black hair. It's time to try something new. So what I've gotten so far, I do have some gloves, a comb if I need one. I have some clips. These are alligator clips. And later for the copper, I'm using the L'Oreal Technique Excellence Hicolor highlights in copper. I did get many of these because I'm not sure how many I need, and I also wanted to mix it with Sizzling copper. I don't know why not. And when I was at Salad Beauty, I was given this L'Oreal Technique Let's Color Copper High Pigment Color Boost. Yeah, not sure how that's gonna work, but we're experimenting. So we're going to do this color Opps first. So my hair is not blow dried. This is an old twist out, like very old, and I don't feel like blow drying it. So we're gonna go ahead and divide these in 4 sections. Okay, my hair is in all 4 sections right now. So let's get to opening this. Oh, oops, wrong way. Let's get to opening this. So like I said, this is what I got from Amazon. I have color Opps, the extra strength. Okay, so of course you gotta read the instructions. I've never done color Opps before. These are the instructions. So per instruction, you have to mix 1 with 2, shake it for 30 seconds, and then apply on dry hair. Same old, same old. It wants you to make sure you're wearing gloves, and I'm also wearing an old t-shirt that I don't care about because it said it will stain. So then it says you leave it on your hair for about 20 minutes, and then it says to rinse with warm water and shampoo, and then rinse again for like 20 minutes. Shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. Repeat it 2 times, and then apply a conditioner. That's a lot. We'll get there when we get there. Okay, like I said, I have 2 boxes, so I have a lot of hair, so we're gonna do both. So now I'm about to pour 1 into 2. Okay, so I'm gonna shake. So it has this little tip, so you need to get some scissors and cut this. So let me go find some. The door's open, so let's get started. So I'm probably gonna do the back section with you guys, so. Ooh. It really does stink, but it's not that bad. It really doesn't smell that bad, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put as much as I can on each section and then go back and saturate it with the rest.
Take it away, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
So I have it all applied. So it says to put a plastic cap on and leave on for 20 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, so it's been 20 minutes and my hair still looks pretty dark. So you can see like it did remove the jet black. My hair still has that red tint into it. Wow. I mean, am I gonna lie and say that it didn't take the jet black out? No. Wow. Oh, we'll see. It's time to go rinse this out though. Yeah. So of course this is what my hair looks like. My hair is completely dry. As you can see, it did strip my hair quite a bit, and yes, my hair is really dry. But we're about to color it now because you can't put color on wet hair. So I did let it air dry. I did sit on the dryer for a little bit, but it is kind of dry. But you can see here that it's not jet black anymore. It's not jet black. So now we're going to use the Hicolor in copper, and I'm also going to use the Sizzling copper. Now I have a lot of boxes right here because I do have a lot of hair and it's kind of long, so I think I'm gonna need more than a normal amount. So I'm not sure how I want to do this. I think maybe I'm going to do 3 of the copper boxes and then 1 of the Sizzling copper. So before I start this, I meant to say this earlier, but I am not a professional at all, by no means. I am doing all of this on my own, just experimenting with my own hair, so take that as your own risk. This is not a tutorial at all, so please be mindful of that. Like I said, I'm just experimenting with my hair. My results may not be the same as your results. Your hair may be darker than mine, lighter than mine, longer, shorter, you know. Okay, so all the color is mixed. I have all of the color. So we're just going to get started. Start one section, and I'm not going to do the roots right now. I'm going to start with the ends of my hair and then let that process for, I think it's at 20 or 30 minutes.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So
applied the dye to all 4 sections and now I have a plastic cap on. I'm about to go sit under the dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes and then I'll come back to do the roots. Alright, so all of the dye has been applied to my roots. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go rinse this out, shampoo my hair again, probably decondition it again, and then I will come back for the final results. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Hey guys, so it's been a few days and you can see that my hair took the color a little bit. It's still a little darker than I wanted it to be, but looking at it in the mirror, like, you can definitely tell my roots took the color a little bit better. My ends, to me, they look a little darker, as you can see. They look a little darker than my roots. But I still don't think that I have the color that I have wanted. Yeah, but it's been a week since I dyed my hair, so I think I'm gonna try to see if I can get it a little bit brighter, especially on the ends of my hair. I'm gonna definitely try not to touch the roots too much, but I want to lift it a little bit more, so I'm gonna attempt to try to do that, you know. I mean, the color is cute, but it's not what I wanted. I did go on Amazon and I bought some more coppers. I think 3 should be enough. Like I said, I'm just basically putting it on my ends, but 3 should be enough. So I actually bought a 6-pack. Because if I like to come and keep dyeing it. But I bought a 6-pack, gonna try to dye it again. And this time I'm going to use 40 developer. Just because I'm trying to achieve a higher lift. Now, I probably could just do 30 again, but I'm not playing. So I want to get it a little bit brighter, so I'm going to use 40 developer, and I'm only going to keep this on my hair for about maybe the total 30 minutes. Also, check out this hairstyle waterwork today. My little space buns. Okay, so my hair is in 4 sections now, and I've already poured about 6 ounces of developer in here. Now I'm going to squeeze 3 of these tubes into the developer. All the dye is made. I had to get another bowl because it was too small. So this is the consistency I got. Pretty smooth. All right, so I'm probably gonna do just the first section on camera, and then I'll speed this up because I don't want this on my hair too long, you know. So my hair is freshly washed. So this is my hair. My hair is definitely dark now. It is wet. I don't know what it's gonna look like when it dries, but at this point it's time to condition the hair. Okay. So now we're going to condition the hair with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I usually use this once I color my hair. Alright, so my hair is conditioning and I have the dye on my eyebrows. I don't know how long it's going to take my eyebrows to lift. If they do, I'm probably going to keep this on for like 10 minutes and rinse it off, and then I'm going to go to bed. It is like maybe 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how my hair turns out. It definitely got brighter. My ends are still very dark. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I'll definitely see in the morning what my hair's gonna look like, and then I will come back and show you guys the final look. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm outside and this is what my hair came out to be. Very gingery to me. I would say it's still a little darker than I wanted it to be, but it came out pretty good. This is the outside light. Let's go back inside real quick. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I just did a quick twist and curl. So this is what my hair looks like. So up close in the light, it's still brighter here, but it goes darker at the ends, which is kind of cute, you know. Some people don't really embrace hot roots, but I don't think I have hot roots because I did everything right. It's just my hair is dark on the ends because I think it's because I mixed it with that Sizzling copper, which I won't do again because I think it lightened the ends, which is why I didn't get this here. But still, overall, it's pretty good. And here's what my hair looks like from the back. So that is how I color my hair. If I color it again, I'll let you guys know what the results are. If you want to see another video of when I retouch my hair or when I recolor it, let me know if you would like that and I will record that video as soon as I can. But I won't be coloring it again right now until the roots grow in, until it's time to touch up my hair. I know it will fade and I'll probably have to re-dye it again, which, like I said, I'll record that for you guys if you want it. But that is all. That is how I went from jet blue black to this copper reddish auburn color. So that's all that I have for you guys. I enjoyed filming this video for you all. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. It will help me a lot. If you watched the video, it only takes a second to subscribe. Just hit that button down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.